That's easy. I can fix it right away.
Wait. You may have learned some myths and I can help you understand better. Hello folks, welcome to Steve's Garage. I will help with your day-to-day vehicle repair issues. In this series I am going to be your vehicle repair myth buster. Do you think engine oils can cause sludge? This is true. Poor quality oils can contribute to sludge buildup. Sludge deposits are formed by a combination of dirt, soot, partially burned fuel, oxidized motor oil, leak coolant, and condensed water vapor produced during combustion. Good quality motor oil keeps these contaminants separated and held in suspension. Using a good quality oil along with regular oil and filter changes will prevent sludge problems from occurring. This video is powered by Automotix.